shining once again, remarkably. Just a wee tip on cutting hedges. One of the tips is, first of all, lay dust sheets or plastic down on the ground before you start to cut. And then the cutting is actually very, very easy, but it's the tidying up can be a real pain in the head. So before you cut, lay these down. And you just continue on round the hedge, moving dust sheets or plastic sheets around as you cut. And it just makes the clearing up, which, as I said, is the worst part of this. It makes the clearing up so much easier. Of course, you need a big bin or two, big plastic bin and a wheelbarrow and all the rest. So, preparation is the name of the game if you want to get this done with ease, as much ease as possible. And so, job done for another month. If you're doing this all the time, it does save an awful lot of time and energy clearing up, putting the sheets down to get the hedge cut and cleared. So